work on adding and subtracting fractions a little bit more. So if you are doing the reteach, be sure to follow along before you do your assignment. So when we are adding and subtracting fractions, we have to have a same denominator. So you have to have the same number of pieces to put them together. So if we have 2/3 and 1/4, we have to find their least common multiple. So remember, multiples are more. So you're just listing out, like you're skip counting. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. We could keep going. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And then least, we're looking for the smallest one, which is 12. So then we have to figure out, how did we get from our current denominator to our new denominator of 12, and do the same thing to the numerator. So to get from 3 to 12, we times by 4. So then to do the same thing on the numerator, 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 8/12. To get from 4 to 12, we times by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have 8/12 and 3/12. Together, they equal 11/12. So we've got another example here. So Colleen bought 3 9/4 cups of oatmeal. She used 5 1/3 cups to make cookies. How much does she have now? So she used it, she got rid of it, means we need to take it away. So we have 9 3/4 minus 5 1/3. So we need to make common denominators. We know the least common multiple of 4 and 3 is 12. So to get from 4 to 12, we times by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. To get from 3 to 12, we times by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. So we have 9 9/12 minus 5 4/12. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Denominator stays the same. So she now has 4 5/12 cups of oatmeal. Okay, let's try one more before you go work on your own. So Megan bought 3 5/6 cups of green glitter and 2 1/4 cups of red glitter. How much did she buy all together? So I heard that word "and" in here, and all together means we're putting them together. So we're adding them up. So first, we need to write a model to represent the situation. We know we need to add these together. So now I have 6 and 4. So we need to make a least common multiple. So if I'm counting by 4s, I have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. If I'm counting by 6s, I have 6. I didn't say 6 in my 4s. 12, I did say 12 to make 4. So our least common multiple is 12. Now we need to change each fraction into an equivalent fraction over 12. So 6 times to get to 12 is times 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. So 10 over 12. 4 to get to 12 takes 3 times. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3/12. So now we have 3 10/12, which is what we had up here, plus 2 3/12. So 3 plus 2 is 5, and 10 plus 3 is 13. So I'm hearing that we have 5 whole pieces and 13 out of 12. Well, 13 out of 12 is an improper fraction. That means we have another piece. So 12 goes into 13 one whole time. And then to get from 12 to 13, there's one piece left out of 12. So 2 plus 3 was 5. So we have 5 whole pieces. But then when we had 13/12, that made one more piece. So we actually have 6 pieces all together and 1/12 more. So now we're going to restate our answer. Megan bought 6 1/12 cups of glitter. So the hardest part is just making sure that we simplify that answer there. hey, go ahead and try your reteach. If you need any help, let me know.